Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Sahna HP, studying Computer Science and Engineering in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. My library ID is 23CS1812. The subject is Introduction to Mechanical Engineering, and the topic given is the emerging trends in mechanical engineering. Here I am going to explain what are the emerging trends in the field of mechanical engineer in the upcoming slides, and the topics to be covered in the upcoming slide is first part is Industry 4.0 and smart manufacturing, and next is artificial intelligence and machine learning, additive manufacturing. It is also known as 3D printing, renewable energy and sustainable energy. Next one is advanced material and robotics and automation, and the last one is human machine interaction. In the next slides I am going to explain the individual trends briefly. Firstly, we have to know why emerging trends in mechanic field is so important, because mechanical engineering as a dynamic field, it constantly evolves from year to year to meet the ever-changing demands of our world. So because of that, staying abreast of emerging trends is vital and very important for engineers and the students like us. And nowadays, the contribution of the mechanical engineers into the development of country is so most important. So let's develop into some of the most promising trends to shaping the futures of mechanical engineers for the next generations. Here, I am going to explain about the emerging trends in the manufacturing sector. Industry 4.0 represents the fusion of traditional manufacturing with cutting-edge digital technology, and in that automation is very important for the enhanced productivity. But the thing is, automation in the manufacturing industry is not entirely new, but the widespread adaptation of the practice of automation is new. But nowadays the new technology have made the automation more accessible to manufacturers, and the companies are changing the way to operate that automation for all is necessary. And the automation is very important for the manufacturer to enhance the productivity and the quantity and quality of the products or the service. And the next thing is the Internet of Things. The Internet of Things helps the manufacturers to connect and monitor the various components of their operations and gaining the insight of the product, and which makes that the gaining the insight of the product, which makes the manufacturers to gain the valuable data, and it makes that they have to know that uh, to optimize and improve every factor of the manufacturing processes. And the decision making is very important in the manufacturing process. And the next, artificial intelligence and machine learning. Artificial intelligence is very most important and benefits to the most of the industries like aerospace technology industry. And AL and ML algorithms are used for optimizing the product design parameters, and machine learning enhance the quality control in manufacturing process. Predictive maintenance models is very helpful to identify the equipment failures before they occur in the manufacture process. For example, in the aerospace technology industry, in order to create the next generation of technology, researchers at the United States Air Force Research Laboratory are using machine learning to make the process of manufacturing is way more easy. Moving on to the next slide, additive manufacturing or 3D printing. 3D printing is also known as additive manufacturing that utilizes significantly less material than other comparable or traditionally manufactured parts. Because of the reason of utilizing the less materials, the industries are started making use of the 3D printing, and the 3D printing are used in the industries like aerospace and defense because of the lightweight high strength components. And 3D printings also accelerate the prototyping, and it also reduces the waste, and it allows for a demand for the production. The emerging trends in energy sector are renewable energy and the Internet of Energy. The using of renewable energy helps to preserve the environment because of the production of zero harmful emissions, and the principle of the sustainable design is to incorporate materials and processes that does not affect the environment or to minimize the impact on environment. And so nowadays solar panels are used with advanced coatings and materials to enhance the energy capture, and mechanical engineers also working on wind turbine design for the efficient energy generation. And in energy sector, the most important is internet of energy. Internet of energy means it is a technical terms refers to the upgrading and automaticity of electricity infrastructure for energy producers and manufacturing. And internet of energy allow energy production to move forward more efficiently and cleanly with the least amount of waste. And the benefits of the internet of energy included it increase the efficiency, and helps in significant cost savings, and it also helps in the reduction of in the wastage of energy. And the next is advanced materials. Carbon components are used in aircraft and automotive components because of the components of carbon are lightweight and strong. Biomaterials are used in medical implants and tissue engineering because of their biocompatibility property. And nanomaterials offers a unique properties at the nanoscale with the electronics and material science. Next one is robotics and automation. Collaborative robots or cobots work alongside humans in tasks like assembly, and then new robotic technology is making automation attainable for companies of all sizes, and the automation streamlines manufacturing, leading to cost savings and improved productive quality. And moving on to the human machine interface. And human machine interface or user friendly interfaces are crucial in industries like automotive and consumer electronics. Safety standards or protocols are established for autonomous vehicles and robots, and the human machine interfaces use voice based or haptic feedback to operate vehicles. And it also helps in the transformation of the automotive landscape. It will fundamentally change how drivers interact with vehicles, and it also making the self-driving cars. And human factor engineering aims to improve the interaction between people and the machines. And the last one is energy efficiency. HVAC systems are optimized using smart controls and energy efficient materials. Green building designs focus on energy conservation and renewable energy sources. Sustainable transportation includes electric vehicles and improved fuel efficiency. And these are the emerging trends in the mechanical energy we have learned about. And thank you for watching the video. Thank you for watching the video.